Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by unlocking the watch and laying it face down on a soft surface to protect the screen. Once done, press and hold one band release button. It's a tiny oval near the lug, while sliding the band sideways. You do this now so the connector can disengage. Keep steady pressure and a short, firm slide. Repeat for the opposite side if necessary. Make sure the release button stays depressed while you move the band to avoid re-engaging the latch. Once the first side is free, inspect the connector and watch rail for dirt or grit. Debris often blocks movement. If the band resists, press the release fully and wiggle the band back and forth as you slide it out. Short movements reduce stress. You can use a plastic pry tool to nudge the connector if needed, but avoid metal tools that scratch. After removal, clean the rail with a dry microfiber cloth so the next band seats smoothly. Make sure the connector is aligned before reinstallation. To finish, align the replacement band with the track and slide it straight in until you hear or feel a click. This confirms engagement. Once attached, give both bands a gentle tug to verify they are secure. If you don't hear a click, remove the band and clean the rails, then retry in good light while pressing the release to confirm clearance. If the connector still won't seat or the release is stuck, stop and seek Apple or authorized service. Forcing it risks damage to the watch.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.